Hello guys, welcome back to our AI agents tutorial in which we are building super cool AI agent workflows. In this particular video, let's learn about the fourth system architecture, which is the Evaluator Optimizer. In this particular system architecture, we just see one loop that's encircling from set bio to optimizer agent. So what this does is it makes sure that whatever the output that you want is perfect. And if it has any problems or errors in it, it will just go to the optimizer agent to make it more optimized. So like the name suggests, there's an evaluator agent and an optimizer agent. So, and also there's one biography agent. So suppose this is particularly made for people who want to publish biographies of other people. Like that's why it's named as biography agent. But you can literally just make it for any other topic or purpose. So in the chat, I would write the details of the person that I want to write the biography about, like Jimmy, who is 43 and who lives in Spain and has been working for a company in United States. So I would write such details and then the chat would pass on to the biography agent. Then it would set the bio. And so whatever the biography agent would have produced using the 4.0 mini model would pass on to set bio, which would then provide the evaluator agent with the given output. Then it would evaluate if it's good enough or not. And the good enough is evaluated over here. If it's good enough, it will get published in the documents. If it's not, it will go to the optimizer agent. So what the optimizer agent does is it takes both the biography as set in the set bio and the feedback provided by the evaluator agent together, and then it produces an optimized response. So once the optimized response is produced, it will send it to the set bio. The set bio will update the response and send it again to the evaluator agent, which would then provide another feedback and then decide whether it's still good enough to be published in the documents. So that's how this works. Pretty amazing because you have this loop wherein you can just keep on sending stuff and re-evaluating them, re-optimizing them until it gets perfect. So this is really good for people who want to accomplish one task really well. So this was Evaluator Optimizer. It has another advantages like reduced errors and manual review. Like it automates verification. Yeah, this is the most beneficial thing about this, that it just automates verification and does not need any human debugging or editing. And the third advantage is that it's flexible and scalable, can be adapted to content generation, structured data validation, and UI text refinement. The fourth one is optimized AI performance. The iterative approach ensures continuous improvement of AI generated responses. So, since you have continuous improvement in an iterative format, you will have a really good result at the end. So this was about Evaluator Optimizer, a really cool architecture you can just experiment with. And yep, that was it. Let's meet in the next video. Stay tuned until then.